This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 39 of Building Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. In this issue, we're fitting this plate that goes over the back of the car somewhere. I say somewhere. We've got, actually it's the middle to the front of the car. It fills in this hole that for some reason we've had left on the chassis that we've been building up with the whole fuel thing and the wheels and the suspension that we've been building up there. So yeah, let's get straight to it. We've got 3 different types of screws to use, but basically that's just covering over there. I'm not entirely certain why it's a separate piece, but it is. So there we go. Let's start off with the O2 screws. We're going to need 4 of those. There's one. I don't like these packets. They're not great. They're not so easy to get the screws out of, and you can't reseal them. So you get the worst of both worlds. So yeah, if you're listening, the shit tumbler is the best method I've seen so far. The little recyclable cardboard paper bags, definitely the way to go. So anyway, these are going in those 2 at the end there. One there, that one there. Like that. I shall obviously tighten these up afterwards as well. Just need to get everything together for you first of all. And then the other 2 on the other end. That one and that one the other side. Like so. Next up we have the 04 screws, which we also need 4 of. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I should put that over there and completely forget which packet it came out of. So yeah. Let's see. There we go. That screw on that screwdriver. Do I need a smaller screwdriver? No, I don't think I do. I think I just need to get it lined up properly. Oh, come on. There you go. These are going on these 2 here. And the 2 exactly the same on the other side. So let's get all of those in place. This is all that we are doing on this issue, is putting this single piece in place. Next time is probably, or hopefully, a little bit more interesting. I can't do this either. Right, come on. You know you can. That just wants to go on there. And then that goes down there. There we go. That one there. Let's do exactly the same on the other side. Easier and quicker and simpler. Can't, can we? Not going to be any easier or simpler, is it? Going to be exactly the same, which wasn't actually too difficult. I've had much harder parts of the build, and I'm sure there are harder parts of the build still to come. So let's get that one in there. Over that side, and then the final screw, 08, of which there are only 2 in the packet because we only need the one. We get both of them out, obviously, because that's the way these things are going today. And this one goes on its own, around the right way. Get it on there, right on the end one, right on there. So there we have that. That's now securely and firmly affixed, or at least it will be once I tighten all the screws up. Why that couldn't have been part of the main plate, I don't know. But there we go. It's a thing. We've done it now. So that is that. I shall see you for the next one, when we'll have actually. I'm having a quick flick through, and see. Now I think 42 is going to be the shortest build. So when we do the 42 part, we'll have a look through the magazine. So for now, that's that. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.